Experiencing glitches with your Hyundai Elantra's infotainment system? Start with a soft reboot for minor issues. Press and hold the power button on your infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. This clears temporary glitches without erasing your personal data. For more persistent problems, perform a factory reset. This restores the system to default settings, erasing all saved data like paired devices and presets. Navigate to Settings, General, Factory Reset. You may need a PIN, often 0000. Remember to back up important data first and perform resets while parked. Consult your owner's manual or visit a dealer if issues persist after these resets. Having trouble connecting your phone or other devices via Bluetooth? First, try a simple fix. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, forget devices, and then repair your device. This often resolves basic connectivity issues. For more advanced problems, Hyundai's Blue Link app offers remote Bluetooth reset options. Recent Hyundai Elantra models integrate AI-driven diagnostics that predict and suggest resets before failures occur. The future points toward fully wireless, cloud-integrated systems with seamless over-the-air updates, potentially eliminating manual resets. Stay updated with Hyundai's latest software releases for optimal performance and connectivity. Keep in mind that cybersecurity risks in connected systems may lead to stricter reset protocols in the future. Consulting your car manual or a certified Hyundai dealer can provide model-specific instructions.